Welcome to Car Updater, the channel where you get the latest updates, reviews, and insights on cars from around the world. If you're a car enthusiast or someone who's always curious about new automotive technology and upcoming models, then you're in the right place. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Nissan Cedric, a name that's returning to the spotlight with a whole new identity and purpose in today's luxury car market. The 2025 Nissan Cedric is a bold move by Nissan to revive one of its classic sedans. But this isn't just a rebranded old model. It's a completely reimagined vehicle built for the modern era. From the very first glance, the new Cedric impresses with a design that's both sharp and elegant. The sleek body lines, futuristic LED lighting setup, and signature Nissan grille all come together to give the Cedric a powerful and refined presence on the road. It's clear that Nissan is targeting premium sedan buyers who appreciate luxury without shouting about it. Under the hood, the Cedric is expected to come with a hybrid powertrain, giving drivers a blend of fuel efficiency and smooth performance. Nissan might also offer a turbocharged petrol version depending on the market, but the hybrid option is likely to be the main focus. The driving experience aims to deliver quiet comfort, making it perfect for both city driving and long highway journeys. The suspension setup is tuned for a soft, stable ride that absorbs road imperfections while keeping the driver in full control. Inside the 2025 Cedric, things get even more interesting. The cabin is designed around the idea of peace and technology. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a very minimal dashboard layout set the tone. At the center, a large touchscreen display handles infotainment, navigation, and connectivity features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There's also a fully digital instrument cluster that adds to the futuristic vibe. Rear passengers are not forgotten either, with plenty of legroom and comfort features that make the Cedric feel more like a mobile lounge than a simple commuter car. When it comes to safety, Nissan has packed the new Cedric with its full suite of intelligent mobility features. This includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. There's also talk of Level 2 autonomous driving features that will allow hands-free driving in certain highway conditions. All these additions make the Cedric not just stylish and comfortable but also one of the safest in its class. The return of the Cedric is not just about nostalgia. It's about redefining what a modern Nissan luxury sedan can be. With its sleek looks, advanced features, and a focus on comfort, the 2025 Cedric is here to challenge the best in its segment. Whether you're someone who remembers the Cedric from the past or are discovering it for the first time, this model is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching Car Updater. For more videos like this and to stay ahead in the world of cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support keeps us going and helps bring more automotive content straight to your screen. See you next time on Car Updater.